Hey everyone. Today I am gonna show you a little bit about what I've been doing. I bought a little project here, and I'll just pull it out for you. Oops. So this thing right here is called a Raspberry Pi, and what it is this is a computer, and it is a very little computer. It has a whole bunch of different ports in here. So I have this guy right here. This is my power source. I have it connected to my monitor through HDMI. This thing right here, I just got in today. This is a camera that we will be using today. And then there's a bunch of little ports over here as well. So it's got 4 micro USB ports, and it's also got an internet port here. So what you can see on the screen right now, this is the desktop of the Raspberry Pi. And today I'm just going to show you what I've been working on. So I'm going to pull up the project that I have been doing. I'm just going to open up the internet browser here. And we are going to go to Raspberry Pi. Oops. Plug in my keyboard. Just give it 1 second. There we go. Raspberry Pi projects, and we're going to go to the Minecraft selfie one here. Okay. So in this one here, we are going to be taking our Pi camera to take a low resolution selfie, and then we're going to render that image using blocks in Minecraft. And I have been playing around with this for, I don't know, about the past hour or so, and it has turned out to be really cool. So, what's really nice about this website is there's a whole bunch of projects in here. And what it will do is it will take you through step by step, and it will actually, at the very end, it'll give you the full code as well. So I didn't, I guess if you really wanted to, I could just copied and pasted this directly into my code, but I didn't. I actually went through and added everything step by step, and I just kind of helped with the learning process a little bit. And some of this is a little bit complicated. For example, I took their advice on this one. Apparently, all of the colors with this RGB scale are plotted on a 3D graph, which I did not know. So that is kind of news to me. So I thought that was kind of cool as well. So you can kind of see blue, green, and red over here, and so all those colors would fall within that space. So I thought that was kind of neat. So if I open up my code, I'll show you that first. So here's my code. It's entered in a program called Thani, and it is built into Pi, and there's a whole bunch of different programs that are already built in. Probably the most common ones in here are Scratch, as you can see here. So when I run my code, and we'll just make sure that we got a game going up in here, else it won't work. Yep. Okay, so when I run my code, what's going to happen is it's going to want for me to take a picture. Here we go. So it's going to be 5 seconds. So it takes my picture. It's going to input that right into Minecraft, and what is super awesome is you're going to be able to see that photo render into Minecraft. And of course, is it perfect? No, it is not, but I think that that is pretty cool. So that was my learning for this week. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't checked out Minecraft yet, I highly recommend that you do.